Hi, hello, welcome once again PS Academy Maths Points. Today we are going to discuss part 5. Then now but we are going to discuss today area of the rectangle. How to find out the area of the rectangle. First, how to find out the area of a rectangle. Area of the rectangle. Then as all of you know that it is a rectangle. It is also a closed figure and it is also a polygon. As you know, all the rectangles are polygon. Then opposite sides are equal. Then in opposite sides are equal and parallel. Then each angle of the rectangle is 90 degree. So it is known as the length or L units. Then it is known as breadth. Then it is B units. Okay. Then how to find out the area of the rectangle? Area means what? The portion or the region enclosed by the rectangle is called the area. These are the area. Okay. Then sum of the all around, as you know that it is the perimeter of the rectangle. Then how you find out the area? So area is equal to length into breadth. L units into B units. That means length into breadth. Then length into breadth area is always measured in square units. So it is square units. If length is 5 centimeter, and breadth is 4 centimeter, that means what is the area? That means 5 into 4 is equal to 20 square centimeter. That means the area of the rectangle is 20 square centimeters. Okay, suppose in case you know how to find out the area. Now you can put the formula and find out the answers. That means length into breadth. But in case question, if the length is given and area of the rectangle is given, how to find out the breadth? Then breadth of the rectangle is equal to what? That means area by length. So area by length it is. Then if you here, what is the area? As you know, area is 20. So 20 by length is how much? 5. So what? That is 4 centimeter. So now breadth is 4 centimeter. Then if the area is given, length is given, how to find out the breadth? Then breadth of the rectangle equal to area by length. Suppose if the question is length of the rectangle, how to find out the length of the rectangle? So length of the rectangle is equal to what? Area by breadth. So what? As you know, area is 20 square centimeter by breadth is how much? 4. So now it is 5 centimeter. So area means the length of the rectangle is 5 centimeter. So now is for the properties. In properties, that means in rectangle opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. And as you know, in a rectangle there are two diagonal. If I draw a diagonal BD, that means, as you know, each angle of a rectangle is how much? 90 degree. Now when you draw a diagonal, then ABCD rectangle is divided into two equal triangle. That means right angle triangle. One is triangle ABD, then another is triangle BCD. Then if it is a right angle triangle, as you know, the opposite sides of a right angle triangle is called hypotenuse. So it is the longest side. So now if I draw ADB, that means it is a right angle triangle. So ABD or ADB, that is hypotenuse. But if the question is that find out the length of the rectangle in when the length and breadth is given, then find out the length of the BD. Then how? As you know how to find out the diagonal of the rectangle. So diagonal of the rectangle is equal to what? L square plus B square root over. That means it is the hypotenuse. That means hypotenuse square is equal to, it is the base and it is the perpendicular. That means base square plus perpendicular square. Then h square, it is hypotenuse means insert h, it is b and it is p. So h square equal to p square plus b square. That means p means what? Breadth and b means length. So L square plus B square root over. So H equal to P square plus B square root over. That means you just remember all the formulas. Then if when the question asks to find out the area of the rectangle, then you can put the formula length into breadth. When the question asks find the breadth of the rectangle, when area and length is given, then area divided by length. When question asks find the length of the rectangle, then area breadth is given, that means area divided by breadth. But when the length and breadth is given, find out the diagonal of the rectangle, that means L square plus B square root over. Use this formula and find out the answers. In the next video, we will discuss about part 6, area of the square. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.